Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Art Adventures. So just a little update. I know I gave you guys a quick rundown yesterday on my little friends that I started making here. So I gave you guys kind of like a little spiel. Made this one today during one of the classes as everybody was making their turkey. I started to make another one because I don't really like that little guy. And I was just doing that, did that like a quick tutorial for the little kids. Started making one for a little older of a crowd, and just started working on this again. So I did some work on it yesterday, my little imposter-esque Among Us character. And so basically from yesterday, what I did was I kind of put on a jawline, and it still didn't look right. It didn't look finished. I finished the teeth, kind of, right? It didn't look right. I still don't think it looks right. I don't like how, I know on the drawings that I've seen, the artwork, it's just a flat thing and it goes straight into like a ripped open like mouth. But I'm gonna add more of a realistic mouth to this, as far as kind of giving it some texture there. That's not finished, but giving it that little webbing between the two jaw lines, doing the overlapping of the top jaw line, so on and so forth, giving it an actual jaw line. And then the tongue, I cut out more of the inside, so it's a nice deep crevice. And basically what I'm doing is I'm taking little pieces of clay like this, kind of just rolling them with my finger, making it real thin. Try to make it as even as possible. And then I take it and I kind of just wrap it around where I need it to go. And so say if I'm doing the bottom jawline, I want to kind of put it here. This is hard to do with one hand, so sorry for the shaky screen, but yeah, if I'm doing that, and then I kind of just blend it in. So basically it ends up looking like this for now. I got some, like you can see right there, it's a little not blended. And then on the top, I'm not gonna blend it because it's gonna be more like a lip. But yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing right now. I'll keep giving you guys little updates here and there. But as far as the character goes, it's coming out pretty good. I like it. There's no armature to this at all. This is all just 100% clay because there's not really too much to it except for the chin and then the body part to it. It stands on its own. It took me a while to get it to stand. And basically I just had to keep chipping away at the inside of this. So it's actually pretty thin over here. As thick as it looks, it's really thin because I just keep taking from the inside to even out the weight distribution from the back of it to the front side. So that's pretty much what we're doing. And yeah, I'm gonna give this a bottom lip, a bottom jaw. I still gotta work on that jawline because that's what I did yesterday. And that's what this side looked like until I started working on it today. So I've been putting in some work. I'm gonna fix those teeth as well, wrap those around just like I'm doing the bottom here. And yeah, I'm gonna keep working on that. So I forgot to bring my tools from home, my actual metal ones. I'm using these like clay ones for the kids. And they're not the best. I mean, they do the trick in a sense, but my metal styluses and stuff like that, my ball joints and my metal cuttery would do this much more of a service, and I can get some pretty good detail with that stuff in. But without it, I don't think I'm doing too bad of a job. But yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep working on this within the next couple days. Yeah, I'm gonna get this to you guys completed, hopefully within the next week or two. Little by little, I'll keep chipping away at this little guy. So, but yeah, that's it. With that, I will see you guys later. Peace.